Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Okay, in this video, I'm going to address 3 topics. One is, and it's all related to COVID. The first one is, what do I think of the COVID situation right now, given the information that is out there? You know, initially, many things were said. No, this is ban. We will deplatform you if you talk about it. And now they are saying, oh, there's a possibility, okay. And also, did I take the COVID vaccine and why? Second one is, what is that? Working 4.5 days. Some countries have started working 4.5 days. So is that a good idea, bad idea? And last one is, this one, working from home, is that going to be the new reality? Okay, I'll give my thoughts all 3, and feel free to put your comments down below, because I learn from you as much as you learn from me. So we are all learning, you know. Nobody was born knowing everything. We are not PhD scientists or whatever. We know only when we read and learn. Okay, so please feel free. Okay. And yeah, I also read your comments, read all of them. Okay, the first one, this COVID information, misinformation and all the nonsense. Look, you're not a scientist, I'm not a scientist. You're not a biologist, I'm not a biologist. Whatever you know is whatever I know. You might read one website, I'll read another website. Then you'll have one person claiming one opinion, another person claiming another opinion. So there's so much of confusion. It has never been so bad in the history of mankind. So let's agree to this. Now, by default, below my videos, I always put, please follow the guidelines of WHO. Now I get so many people who are, ha, what the fuck are you talking? WHO, you're following that? Are you for real? Okay. Now, my response to you is this. Whose platform am I on? I'm on YouTube. YouTube, Google. Who do they listen to? Who do they follow? Who do they advertise? What, whenever you type COVID, what comes right at the top? YouTube, Google, all the major platforms, even Facebook, even Instagram, they say COVID-19 information, go to WHO. Now, you seriously think if I start saying, oh, WHO is nonsense, YouTube is bullshitting, Google is telling you lies. If I start telling you all that, do you think they're not going to kick me out? And after they kick me out, you're going to help me? You're going to say, oh Lloyd, don't worry, here's another platform. What other platform do we have? If not YouTube, tell me which other platform is there? What, I'm going to book a server and host it up my website? Where is the traffic? I'm on someone else's platform. They have given it to me for free. It's a privilege for me. And biggest thing, let's assume I knew the truth. Example, I knew the truth. I have evidence. You think I can fight against a tech giant which has trillions, not billions, trillions of dollars, which is more powerful than most countries put together? Come on, man. And you who's criticizing me, what the fuck do you know, man? What are your fucking credentials? Who the hell are you? Are you an authority? You're just another keyboard warrior. Oh, I read this. Oh, WhatsApp. I'm going to fight with you. WhatsApp. Oh, Facebook. I'm going to fight with you. You're another truth, as they call it in India, no? Truth. Find out what's the meaning. We are all in the same fucking boat. So, what do? I do what has to be done. If the world, all the countries are saying WHO, okay, I live in this country, I follow the rules. Okay, that's the first one. Now, until and unless they come out with something official, I'm not going to. In fact, even in this country, you can be jailed. Even in Thailand, even in your country, I can assure you this much. You start posting stuff that is questionable, you will be jailed, or you will be fined, or you'll be put to task. My open challenge to you. You think hiding behind fake accounts, having VPN and calling yourself some very cool name, you can talk shit. Their technology is better than your free VPN that you're using in a fake account. If they want to track you, they'll do it like this. Okay? Okay, next one. Me, did I take the vaccine? No, but please, see, listen, wait. Just because I did or didn't take, you don't decide your future, your fate, based on my actions. My body structure is different. My priorities are different. The country I stay is different. See, look, you can see nature. You can see how many people are there. My situation is different. My lifestyle is different. Me and my wife are normally staying at home, locked. So our situation, and we stay on an island, man, which is remote from the rest of the world. You're connected to other countries. So please don't use my example for your life. So having said that, I'll tell you about me. Have I taken or not taken the vaccine? As of now, I have not taken. There was an invitation to take. I decided against it. And I'll tell you why. I just have this thing back of my head because I've read some of the books which are scientific literature. Okay? I don't go for books which are bestsellers. I don't go for popular authors. I go for books which are not popular but have substance. These are books which not many people read. So what I found out from there is any vaccine that is created has a time period of testing by which they can study the effects, the impacts on the body. Okay? Some effects or reactions show immediately. Like you inject something, it shows the allergy. That is why sometimes when you're about to take a particular injection or something, first they insert a little bit on your skin, the nurse, and they wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to see is there a reaction in your body. No reaction, then they inject the whole thing. Because let's say, for example, you'll get a bad rash, or insides will swell or something, swelling will take place. You can die. So they normally inject first and wait for a reaction, and then they say, okay, fine, you're okay. So there are some medicines or vaccinations or whatever, which the reaction shows immediately. And then there are some vaccines which don't show immediately, they show after 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. It takes time. And then on top of that, there are some vaccines which don't actually show immediately. It may show to the next generation. There's a possibility there, okay? Because they didn't understand what the impact would be. Maybe it goes from your DNA. Look, I'm not educated, I'm just telling you. I don't know how to put it in words, okay? So don't take my word. I'm just giving you what I've read from literature. So now, we have these incidents in Philippines where thousands of children died after 2-3 months or whatever. So thankfully, the COVID vaccine is not giving these effects. But if you check on Facebook, the actual patients who have received it, even on YouTube, I don't know if those videos are there or not. Some people have had adverse reactions like shaking of the body, it hits the nervous system. Some people are saying it makes a heart palpitation. Some people are claiming that they died. I don't know where, which newspaper, but like they say, no smoke without fire. So now, when I listen to all this, this is my realization, that this is the first batch of vaccines, first batch. And they are obviously keeping a close eye to see what is the reaction. Now, the next batch will be even better than the first batch, because obviously you come out with a better product. You improve on the loopholes. You ensure that, oh, okay, we can play around with this dosage and make it much better. Okay, so they'll come out with a better product. Now, on top of that, if you have noticed, there are these COVID variants. COVID first variant, the second variant, the first wave, the second wave, the third wave, Delta variant, and this and that. And now they're saying, oh, even if you have taken the vaccine, you have to take booster shots. And then on top of that, they also have, what is this? Not only booster shots. Some people, even after taking, they become sick. They still get COVID. But then on the flip side, they are saying, because you took the vaccine, you're not suffering and dying. It's not like you need oxygen where you cannot breathe. Your body's immune system is better. So that's a good thing over there. So overall, I'm not saying vaccines are bad. I'm saying, please, it's your body, it's your life. You have to take this decision without anybody's pressure or influence. So me, without going under anyone's influence or guidance or whatever, with whatever research I've done, I've decided I'll wait for a better variant to come out. And also I've been hearing this nonsense. First one, they took AstraZeneca. Second one, they took some other brand. Now they are saying, oh, we can't give you AstraZeneca. You take a mix of a brand. Okay, forget that. Now you take the Chinese brand. Okay, now we'll mix the Chinese and Russian brand. And then some people are saying, oh, they give what? Oh, these are not original, these are pirated, they found expired, like Israel gave vaccines which are going to be expire. When you hear all this, you're like, oh, what the hell, man? And then also there is this rumor mill, I'm telling you, rumor, that, what is that? Rich people are getting a premium vaccine, poor people are getting some dummy vaccine or shitty vaccine. So, like I said, these are all rumors, don't quote me. I'm telling you what I heard, you'll tell me. And in my WhatsApp group, oh my goodness, it's a headache every day. And A will say what A wants to believe, B will say what B wants to believe, and they literally fight it out. Then there is C, there is D. Like how many variants are there? That many versions of the argument is there. Okay.